Petrolo committee, thank you. It's been the best week of my life, to be honest. Thanks.
Caro Roberto e caro Luigi, grazie innanzitutto di queste giornate molto belle, senza di voi non le avremmo avute, e quindi veramente molte grazie. Speriamo di farlo di nuovo presto.
Roberto, Luigi, siete dei grandi, è stato stupendo, grazie mille. Roberto, ci sei mancato.
Thanks a million for this fantastic reunion, and we hope to repeat soon.
Thank you, Luigi and Roberto. It was fantastic.
Tack söta Luigi och Roberto. This has been a fantastic stay. What a setting, what a wonderful occasion to get us all together.
Grazie Roberto per averci portato in un luogo magico che ripropone l'armonia dei tuoi quadri, e grazie Luigi per essere il fuoco di questo gruppo.
Luigi and Roberto, thank you a million times for bringing us together and for tuning in. It's wonderful.
Roberto and Luigi, thank you very much for setting up this wonderful time.
Thank you, Luigi and Roberto, for a wonderful week.
Roberto and Luigi, many thanks. A big hug. Thank you.
Thank you, Luigi and Roberto. This has been a wonderful occasion. Let's do it again.
Luigi and Roberto, you're the best ever. Thanks.
Hello, Roberto and Luigi. Thank you so much for providing us with this beautiful place with all these nice people. The organization is perfect. Thanks a lot. Grazie.
Thank you very much, Luigi and Roberto, for setting this up. It's a beautiful place, and we are very happy to be there.
Carissimo Roberto, Luigi.
Thank you, Roberto and Luigi. This is the first time I'm being able to come to one of these reunions, and I'm very happy I did it. It's been wonderful. I really thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Luigi, Roberto, grazie mille for a dream week in wonderful friends, wonderful surroundings. Bellissimo.
Sarah, Luigi and Roberto, many thanks.
Grazie mille. Diolch yn fawr. Hello, Luigi and Roberto. Thank you so much for putting this all together for us. It's like a big family. I'm so grateful.
Roberto and Luigi, definitely worth travelling halfway around the world to. Exquisite setting, fantastic organisation.
Roberto and Luigi, mwah, that's all I can say. We love you. Thank you.
Thank you, Luigi. Thank you, Roberto, for bringing us to Petrolo and bringing us all together again. It was wonderful.
Roberto, Luigi, Steen, Denmark, thank you.
Luigi, Roberto, thank you so much. This is paradise. Love you both.
Roberto and Luigi, Petrolo has been fantastic. What a find. Look forward to the next one.
Hello, Luigi. Thank you so much for this wonderful time. And to Roberto, thank you. This is just wonderful.
Hi Roberto and Luigi, grazie mille for this wonderful week in Petrolo. Thank you very much.
Luigi, thank you very much for a lovely week in Villa Petrolo.
Roberto, Luigi, merci beaucoup pour cette fantastique semaine à Petrolo. Fantastico!
Thank you, Roberto and Luigi, for a wonderful week at Villa Petrolo. Let's do it again next year. Grazie mille.